Cybersecurity and cyber insurance requirements for government contractors. What every federal contractor should know. Cyber threats continue to grow every year. For government contractors, cybersecurity has become an important part of doing business with the federal government. Even if your company is small, protecting information, computers, and business operations is more important than ever. In this webinar, we'll explain cybersecurity and cyber insurance in simple, easy-to-understand language. You do not need to be an IT professional to understand the basics. Our goal, help you understand why cybersecurity matters. Learn how it fits into your business risk management strategy. Let's get started. Why cybersecurity matters. Government contractors store important information, contracts, employee records, financial data, project documents, customer information. If this information is lost, stolen, or locked by criminals, it can create serious business problems. Cybersecurity is about protecting your business from those risks. Engineering files, emails, common cyber threats. Cyber criminals use many different methods to attack businesses: phishing emails, ransomware, stolen passwords, business email compromise, malicious software. These attacks can affect companies of every size. Small businesses are not immune just because they have fewer employees. Data theft, social engineering. Why government contractors are targets. Contractors often work with valuable information. Some projects involve sensitive data, others involve critical infrastructure. Even without classified info, you may have business data criminals want. Cybersecurity is increasingly important throughout the federal supply chain. What is cyber liability insurance? Cyber liability insurance helps businesses respond to certain cyber-related incidents. Every policy is different, but insurance may help with expenses, data breach response, legal defense, notification costs, credit monitoring, business interruption. Always review your specific policy to understand what is covered and what exclusions apply. Cyber extortion, digital forensics, public relations assistance. What cyber insurance does not do. Cyber insurance is not a substitute for good cybersecurity. Insurance cannot prevent an attack. It may not cover every type of cyber incident. Many policies include exclusions and conditions. Understand your coverage before purchase. Think of cyber insurance as one piece of a broader cybersecurity strategy. Employee training matters. Technology alone cannot stop every cyber attack. Employees play a critical role. Many incidents start with someone clicking a suspicious email. Simple employee training can significantly reduce risk. Teach employees to recognize suspicious emails. Small habits can make a big difference. Encourage strong passwords. Use multi-factor authentication. Report unusual activity immediately. Understanding CMMC. You may have heard of CMMC, Cybersecurity Maturity Model Certification. It's a cybersecurity framework for certain Department of Defense contractors. Helps protect sensitive government information. Requirements vary by contract and type of info handled. If you pursue DoD work, understanding CMMC is crucial. Protecting your business. Good cybersecurity starts with basic practices. Keep software updated. Install security patches. Use strong passwords. Back up important data. Limit access to sensitive information. Use antivirus protection. These simple steps reduce risk and strengthen your business. Enable multi-factor authentication. Develop written security policies. Review who has access to your systems. Have a cyber incident response plan. No business wants an attack, but planning ahead is important. Know who to call in an incident. Know how to isolate affected systems. How to communicate with employees. When to contact your insurance company. When legal or technical experts may be needed. Having a plan before an incident occurs helps your business respond more effectively. Common mistakes contractors make. Preparation is always better than reacting after a loss. Thinking only large corporations are targets. Relying only on antivirus software. Never training employees. Ignoring cyber insurance. Waiting until after an incident to think about cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is a business issue. Cybersecurity is not just the responsibility of IT. It affects operations, finance, human resources, project management, executive leadership, risk management. Every employee has a role in protecting the organization. The strongest cybersecurity programs combine technology, employee awareness, written procedures, appropriate insurance. Final thoughts. Cybersecurity will continue to play an important role in government contracting. Federal agencies expect contractors to protect sensitive information. Every contract is different, but good cybersecurity preparation pays off. Cyber insurance can be an important part of your risk management strategy. The goal: reduce risk, improve resilience, and prepare your business for success. We hope this webinar helps simplify cybersecurity and cyber insurance for government contractors. Visit montridgeinsurance.com. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share with others in government contracting. Need a second opinion on your insurance requirements or risk strategy? Schedule a confidential discussion. Thank you for watching. Your cybersecurity journey starts now.